Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire refrigerator or freezer door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket seals up the freezer door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged, it's letting warm air in, causing ice to build up, and the fridge is running longer. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, you can see the freezer door gasket goes all the way around the door. In order to get it off, you just have to reach up and carefully peel it off. It's just pressed into this channel right here. So all you have to do is carefully pull it out all the way around the door. Once you have it off, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. If the new gasket has any big twists or kinks in it when you take it out of the box, you can lay it out in the sun to get it to release. Before you put the new gasket in, you want to make sure you clean this channel all the way around the door so it's not sticky when you put the new one in. Once it's clean, we can put the new gasket on. You just have to start at the corner and line up the gasket with the frame, and then carefully go around and push it in. Once you have the new gasket on, you can close the door and make sure it seals properly. If there's any rough spots, you can always take a blow dryer and put it on low and kind of heat that area up so it loosens up a little bit, and then close the door and leave it closed while it sets the gasket. Once you have the new gasket in, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.